Bueno, racita, buenos días. Como pueden ver, es tempranito en la mañana. Me acabo de levantar. Ahorita vamos de camino a levantar a Compa Freddy porque he's gonna leave his truck with Jasso Tires and Wheels. Shout out to Jasso for hooking it up with the wheels and the little. Well, you'll see what we're gonna do to Freddy's truck. Ya le hizo unos mods, dechroming, so on and so forth. Pero yeah, right now we're on our way to Jasso Tires and Wheels and see what he's gonna install on there. We'll give you a sneak peek. Pero por ahorita, let's go pick up Compa Freddy and take it from there. Anyways, we're already here. So right now we're gonna go talk to Jasso, and Compa Freddy already pulled up. You can see his truck right there. Boom. So yeah, let's go talk to Jasso. See what the ETA of getting it ready is, and then hopefully we'll get to pick it up today, so we can get some cinematics and rollers tonight. So, bueno, ahí viene Compa Freddy bien desesperado. Nah, bien excited. He's been waiting for these views for about a week and a half already. Pero ya por fin llegaron. So, vamos a ver qué le hizo. Here with Compa Jasso. Ya le entregaron las llaves. We're gonna drop out the truck in about 3 to 4 hours. So you wanna tell me a little bit something about the shop, boss?
Que racita, muchas gracias a InfamouzToyz. Aquí estamos a la orden. Cualquier cosita que se les ofrezca, aquí estamos en Jasso Tires and Wheels, donde hacemos suspensiones, rines, llantas, accesorios, whatever you name it, we do it. We make them possible. Aquí lo esperamos. Aquí estamos en Mission, Texas. Our address is 709 North Exploration Road, Suite A to B. Aquí estamos a la orilla del Expressway, South Inspiration, con las partes de ahora. Estamos para servirles.
So there you guys have it. So I thought the address, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the bottom as well. So yeah, if they do anything you think of, they make it possible, from lifts to drops, wheels, hasta los rines que nadie tiene ahora.
Yes, sir.
So he made sure that we got some wheels for Compa Freddy que nobody had yet. So yeah, that's how they make the impossible possible.
Yes, sir.
So aquí vamos a la troca. We'll come pick it up later, and then we'll do some cinematics of it after. But like you said, you need anything for your truck, Jasso's a place to go.
Estamos para servirles. Yes, sir.
Ahí vamos. What is up, guys? So y'all can see, ando más despierto ahorita que al beginning of the video. So ya levantamos la troca de Freddy, ya le pusieron su level. They put his 22-inch rims and his 33-inch tires. So ahorita vamos a hacer unos cinematics, unos rollers de cómo quedó la truck.
Le quedamos sin nivel de la troca de Compa Freddy, a.k.a. la Madrina. Y pues ahorita me está platicando que he's got some plans already what he's gonna do next. I'm not gonna spoil the stuff that he's gonna do, pero se la va a rifar, compadre. Ahí quedó 22-inch Reno Phantom wheels on 33s. So if you're looking for a set of wheels like these, give Compa Jasso a shot. I'm gonna put his page right here on the bottom. Or I'll just put it on the description, porque a veces se me olvida ponerlos en los videos. Pero, again, shout out Compa Jasso, shout out Compa Freddys, aquí andamos. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, share. Aquí andamos, InfamouzToyz out.